Hello, welcome back to another review of the diecast car with my name is Pulu, and today we are going to reviewing the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Brian O'Connor Toyota Supra. Came in white, number 6 from number 5 from 5. This is the Toyota Supra, came with the white one. This is the artwork of the Supra, and this is the back of the car. As you can see, there's a total 5 car of this series Fast and Furious of the Brian O'Connor. Okay, let's go unboxing it. Okay, let's go. We open this Toyota Supra Fast and Furious number 5 from 5. This is the Toyota Supra from inside the box, as you can see here, right? Okay, this one here. This is the Toyota Supra. Okay, let's see here. Left side of this Toyota Supra here. Nice white glossy. The detail for the door handle. Lack of side mirror here. The livery for the indicator lights is okay. Okay. You can see the Supra from the angle like this. You can see the headlights livery, the Toyota logo there, the grille. Okay, nice. The hood is also looking great. This one came from the right side of this Toyota Supra. It's similar to the left side, except there's a fuel cap here. The tails, the rear parts of the car, you can see there's a nicely taillights over there with Toyota logo, and the Toyota Supra is written above the taillights. The spoiler is big, okay? The muffler below the bumper. From the top, this is the way it looks from the top. This is the base for this Toyota Supra 2012 model. The base is looking great. I can't see through the window because it came with a black tint on the windows. I don't know if it is the right steering wheels or the left steering wheels. It's okay by me.